Another great feature of the BeoLiving Intelligence, both on Essential and on Pro mode, is the possibility to create product groups. This allows you to reproduce a master product source on other equipment in your installation simultaneously. For example, in a big hall full of Bang & Olufsen equipment, you could listen to music coming from all around the hall on all the equipments, reproducing one source at the same time. Let's see how this is done. On the BeoLiving app, you should go to Settings and select your BeoLiving Intelligence. Then go to the Device Settings and Group Products and press on Create a Group. You will now be asked to select a master product, and for example, I have a really big living room in this installation, so I'll select the BeoSound shape as a master, and then I'll put all the other equipment in the living room under the BeoSound shape. I'll now create group, and every time I reproduce music on the BeoSound shape, I'll hear this source reproduced on all the equipment around the living room at the same time. So this is the product group feature of the BeoLiving Intelligence, and we hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.